Hi guys, my name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. I have my beautiful daughter Ansley with me today.
Hi.
What are we going to be painting today?
A fox.
A fox. I'm going to show you how to do a simple and cute little fox illustration using watercolor and Sharpie. You ready to get started?
Yes.
All right. For a complete list of my supplies used for this project, just see the description below this video. Okay, for our cute little fox illustration, we're going to start by drawing it on with our pencils. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start with the head. I'm going to draw an oval shape for the head, making sure there's room for the ears at the top. Okay, next we're going to add the white part of the fox's face. I'm going to start by drawing a little dot at the very middle on the bottom, so that's where I'm going to bring my lines. Okay, so I'm going to start in the middle of the side and draw a curve over to that middle dot, and then I'm going to start in the middle of the other side and draw a curve to my dot. Good. Next we're going to add the ears. The ears are just curved triangles like this. Try to make them the same size as best you can. And inside the ears, we'll add another smaller triangle, just matching the shape of the outside of the ear, like that. Good job.
That's where the fox can hear stuff.
Let's add the little nose. Nice. And then we'll do the two eyes. For the body, we'll start just below the head. Just create the two sides. Then we'll add the legs. The legs are just going to be two front legs, and you can add little paws. Very nice. Now we just need to add the hind legs. And for that, we're just going to make a curve like that, because this fox is sitting, isn't he? So we do that for both sides. Alright, the last thing we're going to add is the fox's tail. So I have more room on this side of my drawing, and you have more room on this side. So maybe add your tail to this side. You can have your tail curving up, or you could have it curving down. Which way do you want to draw your tail?
Up.
Up? Okay. So I'll draw mine up too, just so we can make them alike. Very good. Okay, next we're going to outline our illustration with a Sharpie marker. You got your Sharpie? They look so cute. And now is a good time to add the whiskers too if you want to. Awesome. Okay, for this next part, we're going to use a white crayon. Now most of you have a white crayon laying around the house, and you never use these because you have a coloring book that's also white and you can't even see it, right? Well, I'll show you something fun you can do with a white crayon for our background. To make it look like snow, we're just going to color little spots of snow in the background over here. And then when we paint on our background color, you'll see those snow spots. You gonna try? All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna add a little bit to my bottom. We're going to paint the background first. So grab your watercolor brush, and let's start with, I'm gonna use the blue, this one right here. And you can start painting carefully around your fox just in the background. And do you see how it's not painting where the snow is? Good. All right, so clean your brush, rinse it in the water again. So let's take the black next. We're just gonna use a little bit of black paint with our wet brush. And we're gonna paint the feet and the legs black. Hold your brush a little closer to the tip so you have more control.
The water is kind of blending.
Well, maybe you're using too much water then. Let's do this. Let's dry. Yeah, you're using too much water. Dab your brush on your paper towel to dry it, and then just take paint, but no water. There you go.
It feels so much better now.
Good. And it's a darker, richer color. And so we're just gonna paint his little legs black. All right, rinse your brush again to get all the black out. And next we're gonna take this orangey burnt sienna color and we're gonna paint the fox's face. And then you can also use that orange color. Hold your brush really close to the tip like this so you have more control over it, and paint all around the ears. Try to stay in those lines. And now you can paint the fox's body, that same orange color. The last thing we're going to do is paint a little bit of this pink color in the ears. You happy with it?
Yes.
That looks so good. We hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe so you never miss any videos. We'll be posting new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching today.
Thank you for watching.